Traton Homes has a brand new community coming soon to Marietta, Gates at Hamilton Grove, and I am here with Amy. So Amy, what can you tell us about this new community?
So this is going to be Traton's newest community in Marietta, Georgia, located in Cobb County. So we're going to be a wonderful little enclave of 45 homes. It's going to be a great low maintenance lifestyle. The HOA will take care of your yards, the exterior of your homes, and it's going to be a really great place to live.
And talk a little bit about the area. So I know it's in Marietta, but what is it going to be close to?
So we are located right off of Cobb Parkway, and we're just kind of south of Barrett Parkway. So really you're going to be close to historic Marietta Square, downtown Kennesaw, Kennesaw Mountain, and we also have really great access to Interstate 75 and 575.
And what about amenities? Will there be some amenities as well?
Yeah, so it's really a cool thing. We're building this neighborhood right in front of one of our previous neighborhoods, Hamilton Grove. So these homeowners are going to have wonderful access to our pool, our cabana, and the playground that's back there. These townhomes will include all 3 bedrooms, a 2-car garage, great interior finishes, wonderful open floor plans, nice for entertaining, and a lot of these floor plans even have a loft for those that want to work at home now.
Now, Traton Homes is a local builder, so what are some things that people need to know about Traton Homes?
So Traton has been here for 51 years now, building here locally in the Atlanta area. And most recently, in 2021 and 2022, we were voted Best Builder in Cobb County, voted on by the readers of Cobb Life magazine.
Okay, this is so exciting. Now, this is coming soon, so it's not quite ready. When are you expecting this neighborhood to be ready?
So we are looking to start selling in the fall. So we're going to have a few months here to get people on the VIP list so they can really be the first to know once we're ready to start selling.
Awesome. Well, Amy, I cannot wait until this community comes to life in the fall. Thanks so much for being here with us today, and to learn more about Gates at Hamilton Grove, go to TratonHomes.com.